Wait. Are you guys seriously telling me that Christmas came way earlier this year? Because I think it might have dropped today, at least by the time I'm recording this, because we are checking out some new Sylosis. What a great day. Honestly, I was not expecting a new Sylosis song this soon after A Sign of Things to Come or The Path EP, but hey, I give you one more. They are announcing a new record for February 2026, entitled The New Flash, so good times, right? And we are checking out the title track, The New Flash, today. I'm freaking excited. I'm expecting riffs, the best of riffs out there. So, Sylosis, The New Flash, here we go. Yep. Chunky. Oh, the tempo change. Let's go. Ooh. Damn. I'm so excited for this record already. Whoa. Yes. Getting a lot of Sepultura vibes here. Yes. Come on, dude. A classic Sylosis solo. That's Josh Middleton for you. It's so nasty. Well, 2026 just got way better already. We are not even there yet. So, Sylosis, there you have it. Sylosis once more drops a banger with, again, this typical Sylosis approach, doing something that you do best, but keep it fresh, keep it tight, and keep it kind of innovative, because I really like the change, especially from the, let's say, the slow burn and then the straight tempo change, and it just keeps on going. Sylosis are one of my favorite bands of all time. I mean, that's no secret here. Josh Middleton is, in my opinion, one of the maybe the biggest and greatest guitarist of our time in the modern age. So I'm stoked, guys. The new Flash, let's go. I'm looking forward to it. I hope you like this reaction video. Obviously, everything Sylosis will be put in the link below. If by some weird coincidence you haven't heard of Sylosis, you got some homework to do. Trust me on that. This band has been in my playlist since the very, very early days. Been such a big inspiration for me in terms of growth as a guitarist, even though I can't reach Josh's level, and don't get me wrong, I don't want to either, but it's just such an inspirational band. And I'm so glad that they, once more, out of the blue, drop a banger like this and announce a record. That's it, guys. I'm happy. My day has been made, so thank you so much, Sylosis, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see each other for the next reaction video or episode, so check out Sylosis. Until next time.